So I'm getting this thing to print on the glass bed, and these glass beds are all kind of weird. Like this one kind of sits up in the top when I do my bed leveling. I kind of have to make an adjustment and check the middle a little bit more. And anyway, this hairspray, and it's sticking pretty damn good. I'm actually surprised. So I tried this before with glue, but the glue stick, I wasn't able to really apply it real well. This hairspray, man, this stuff's working. So I'm printing the drawer for one of these, and I'm printing the rest of the drawer on the other one over here. So this is going to be, it's in about 13 hours, and this thing just kind of counts down as it gets closer. It's just 27 hours, and I don't really know why it estimates the time the way that it does, but it will most likely probably get done in less than that amount of time. And I don't know if I could probably just turn it up some, but I got it at 180. I'm sure it'll print at 250, but with a lot of this stuff here, I don't think it prints at full speed anyways, so I don't think it really matters what you set it to. It's only going to print at full speed at certain times, like when it's not doing anything but infill. So anyway, yeah, we're just gonna let it go. I was originally printed this black, and I was like, oh, I don't think I have enough. So anyway, went ahead and did that. So we got that going, and then this is gonna be the kind that only takes one drawer. So this is gonna be like this, but matching this, so to be slanted, and hopefully it won't wiggle around like this one does. So anyway, we'll just let's see how this does. Anyway, I'm up way too late again dealing with this. And it looks like Amazon is dropping the ball again on everything. Like, I ordered filament that I really need. And all it says is it's been shipped, like, as of, like, earlier today. And it's supposed to be here today, but, like, it's already, like, 3 in the morning. And usually stuff has to get here to the hub by, like, 5 or 6 in the morning here in order for anything to happen. So, and what usually happens is if stuff is down in Phoenix, it goes from Phoenix to Glendale, and sometimes that can take 6 or 8 hours just to go from Phoenix to Glendale. And then from Glendale to here is usually a couple of hours, even though it's only an hour and a half or less drive. It's usually 3, 4, 5 hours for Amazon to make their route. So probably not going to get that. Probably not going to get the printer, or actually maybe more likely to get the printer than the other stuff. It says the printer left Glendale at 8 o'clock in the evening, but it kept saying delayed. And it's almost like, well, they told me, okay, you're going to get this Monday, and then all of a sudden, I knew it wasn't going to, because it was coming from Pennsylvania, and in the middle of the night it was flying from Kentucky, and it got to, like, Phoenix at, like, I don't know what time, 4 in the morning, and I knew that wasn't enough time to get out of Phoenix and go to Glendale and then go up here. So now they bumped me out to Wednesday, but it's like, I know they can have it here today, but it's almost like they're just like, oh, we're gonna screw you, and sorry, we were supposed to have it Monday, but we're gonna bring it to you Wednesday, even though we definitely can get it to you Tuesday. So I don't know what the deal is with that crap. And then the thing went down $10 after I bought it. So I called them, and they said, oh, yeah, we can't do anything. Just send it back and order another one. Like, oh, yeah, that's real smart. So I think if I was going to do that, why would I have ordered it in the first place? I mean, $10 is not, like, worth the hassle. But it's the fact that it's like, hey, it went on sale after I ordered it. $10 is almost a roll of filament. You know, and I told him, I was like, can't you just give me a gift card or something? I mean, you know, I literally ordered it, and within 24 hours, it went on sale. Oh, well, you know, blah, blah. So, anyway. So, we've got this thing printing, and we're about to just shut everything down and lay it on down and see what happens. Catch you later.